Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best quality vacuum storage bags in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Spacesaver Premium Vacuum Storage Bags. These bags are our top recommendation because they serve a variety of situations and needs. They come in various sizes, including small, medium, large, and jumbo, as well as variety packs of 4, 6, 10, and 20, so you can identify your needs and shop accordingly. When it comes to using the bags, the most efficient way to take the air out of a packed bag is to connect a vacuum hose to the opening. If you're on the go, you can also use the travel pump that is included. The plastic on these vacuum storage bags is thick and durable. Plus, the brand offers a lifetime guarantee, although you do need to follow the instructions for use down to the letter to be eligible. Even with perfect use, the bags might start leaking after many uses, which is fairly common for the product category and ultimately not a deal breaker for us. If you want to purchase a number of bags in the same size or a variety of bags of very different sizes to organize your storage closet, suitcase, or linen collection, these bags certainly make it easier to make the most of your space. You can easily put them alongside each other in a closet or bin, and you won't need to spend a ton of money to complete your organization project either. Number 2. Our second best pick is Amazon Basics Vacuum Compression Storage Bags. These vacuum storage bags by Amazon Basics are a bit cheaper than our best overall pick and come in similar size variations and variety packs. The 15-pack comes with 4 medium, 4 large, 5 jumbo, and 2 extra jumbo bags. To use, just slide your items inside, seal the bag with the included clip, which helps to keep air out, attach a standard vacuum hose or the included hand pump, and remove the air. These bags are made of thick plastic, similar to many of the higher-priced options on the market. For 15 bags, it is hard to beat the amazing price for the quality and quantity of the product from Amazon Basics. The instructions for use are printed right on the side of the bag, so you don't need to worry about keeping track of separate directions. There are helpful pictures to illustrate exactly what you need to do, too, whether you are using the bags at home or for travel. You can purchase these bags in a pack of 5, 6, 12, or 15, with the cheapest option being the 5-pack. The only downside is the bags are not available in smaller sizes, less than 28 by 20 inches, unlike our best overall pick. Number 3. Our third best pick is BoxLegend Premium Vacuum Storage Bags. If you know that your storage bags are going to be subjected to the elements or handled roughly, you'll want a heavy-duty product that can stand the test of time. The BoxLegend Premium Vacuum Storage Bags come in 8, 10, or 12-count variety packs. They are also available in a package of 8 jumbo bags, though you can't shop the small and medium-sized bags separate from a variety pack. These bags are extra thick, making them perfect for rough use in situations where they may be tossed in the moving truck, shifted around a basement, or squeezed up against other items in a carry-on suitcase. They also come with a lifetime free replacement guarantee. If your bag rips or starts to lose air, BoxLegend will send you a new one free of charge. Each bag has a double zipper to ensure it stays sealed. The package does not include a travel pump, but you can purchase one separately or use one that you already have. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ziploc Space Bag Vacuum Sealer Storage Bags. A household name in storage solutions, Ziploc makes vacuum storage bags that will work for everything from sweaters to blankets. For long-term storage, we recommend the jumbo-sized space bag. It can fit bulky items like bedding, linens, or even stuffed animals. You can use it for one large item, like a king-sized blanket or quilt, or multiple smaller items, like winter clothes. These are not great for travel and don't come with a hand pump, although Ziploc does make a rollable travel storage bag. These are expensive compared to many other vacuum storage bags and only come in a set of 2 in the jumbo size. The Ziploc seal is what makes these bags so great and effective, though, especially for any long-term use. Once you vacuum the air out of the bag using a standard vacuum hose, you can be sure that it will stay sealed and airtight for a long time. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is SpaceMax Premium Spacesaver Vacuum Storage Bags. If you have small storage needs or want to fit things in a tight space, this is a great option. These bags are 24 by 16 inches and can fit 6 to 8 adult sweaters during the summer months. They come in a package of 6, as well as in additional sizes for any larger storage and organization needs you have. All of the SpaceMax Premium Vacuum Storage Bags have a double zip seal on the top and a triple seal valve to remove the air and keep your belongings protected from all kinds of elements, like moisture and bugs. One of the great things about these bags is that they come with a hand pump. It can be hard to find vacuum storage bags that are small, and most don't have a pump included. Rather than purchase a variety pack or a larger package to get these extras, you can buy just what you need. They are also very affordable and a fraction of the cost of larger options. The pump will work with larger bags if you do decide to purchase an additional pack in the future. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.